Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another tutorial video. This video will review video. So I hope you will stay with me and keep watching my video. Before I introduce my YouTube channel, name is Crypto and Travel. It has a 2 part, 1 part crypto related video uploaded in this and another part travel related video uploaded in this. If you get any information in this related, please subscribe and press the bell icon. You will receive all notification very fastly. Okay, now I want to introduce my YouTube channel, Telegram channel, which name is BTS Satoshi gift card channel. Have your code money? If you want to increase your money, please join my Telegram group. Share your hash card and gift card in my Telegram group. BTS Satoshi gift card core mining app will be ended in 12 December. So I request to you, please keep mining now. So don't waste your time. Many of the people joining via my, but they are totally unadapted to mining. But what they facing problem, I don't know. Please keep mining because and come back to core mining. No, already 3 days in your hand. So I request to you, please come to core mining and increase your mining power. How to increase your mining? Come to my YouTube channel and check the playlist option. আপনারা এখানে এসে আমার প্লেলিস্ট অপশনটা করবেন ইউটিউবে এসে, এবং এখান থেকে আপনারা এই কোর মাইনিং রেজিস্ট্রেশন ভিডিওটা সেট করবেন. সো প্লিজ সিলেক্ট দ্য কোর মাইনিং রেজিস্ট্রেশন ভিডিও. Is a first part, how to join this site. When you if you want to join this site, please come to my this option description and select this any link. Okay, when you go to link, you go to this their site. Here, please type on and press the all option and download app. Next time you use this gift card option. How to use this gift card? Here is come to this option, is select this option gift card and click this option, and here is some gift card available, but you cannot use not your own gift card in your app. Okay, please use this. There is a 50 gift card available here. So then you will 100 to 130 k increase your mining power. Then after you come to Twitter account, to add to Twitter, if you get 50k, and how to open the Twitter account, here is I showed you this video, so you can easily see this. Another option, you how to MetaMask wallet and other related all option available here. Okay, and such as 10k and 3k hash power increasing available here video. সো প্লিজ আপনারা এখান থেকে এইসব ভিডিওগুলো দেখে আপনারা আপনাদের কোর মাইনিংয়ের হ্যাশ পাওয়ার এবং গিফট কার্ডের সকল ইটা করতে পারেন ইনশাল্লাহ. সো প্রতিদিনই আপনারা পাবেন, এগুলো আপনার দ্রুত ভাঙায় নেবেন. ওকে, সো নাও আই গো টু মাই মেইন টপিক. This site is name is forsage. I was already joining this site, and before few days ago I also made this video. Is the payout site. Here is a multiple mining site in this site. Okay, please come to, when you click this option, you come to this option. Here is dashboard. There already 70 days running and total payout show here. So I request you join now and give increase among keep earning in this side. Bonus level show here, first level and to second level. When you're joining this side, you get 500 gigahash power. Have you any question? Please, here is a show there. So how to join this? Click this option and sign up or get bonus option. Your type your username, email, enter your password and repeat password. I am not to sign up button. Okay, it's very easy. You can this joining video in my video description, so you can easily joining that video, watch it. তো ওই ভিডিওটা দেখে আপনারা এটা এখানে জয়েন হতে পারেন। সো আমি এখানে যাব, প্লিজ ব্যাক please come to my sign up option and I am not robot and signing. Okay, when you join this, you get a bonus. So you must be 100 gigahash per using your mining. আপনার এখানে এসে যে বোনাসটা হবে সেটা সম্পূর্ণ ইয়ে করবেন, এটা ব্যবহার করবেন। So here is a many type of mining available here. You can reinvestment in this site. If you I also reinvestment note. I also only USDT mining in this site. When I reach $5, I also withdraw from this site. If you want to TRX mining, you can easily 150 TRX withdraw from this side, and also Dogecoin 150. There are many type of mining here. This how to mining this. Please click this option or click this option. Okay, and then it will be mining. Very easy. When you click this option, this mining is less, and when you this option you use this. Okay, you can choose this option. Okay, 100. That's the way of mining starting. আপনারা এইভাবে মাইনিংটা করবেন, জাস্ট আপনার প্লাস চিহ্ন করেও বা মাইনাস চিহ্ন করে বাড়িয়ে কমেও মাল্টিপল করতে পারেন, তবে একটা ফুল করাটাই ভালো। আই রিকোয়েস্ট ইউ প্লিজ, if you any coin mining, it's fully mining. Here is a recording video. If you have a recording video, please you get to get up to 500 gigahash power free. Deposit option, if you want to deposit this side, choose the currency and set. If you want to deposit by Tether, deposit amount, and also minimum 10 Tether. Choose this option. Okay, and then deposit now and send to this address. Okay, now withdraw. Choose your currency. If you want to withdraw from this site, select this option. Available here. Okay, minimum I just select my wallet address and click minimum 10 USDT. You can, if you reach this 10 USDT, you will withdraw from this site. This is real time and payout site, so I request you, if you earning from this site, you can now firstly join now. So not waste your time, is now coming in this site. আপনারা এখানে কিছু করতে চাইলে অবশ্যই জয়েন হন এবং ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন এবং পরবর্তী ভিডিওর জন্য অপেক্ষা করুন। আমার সাথে থাকুন, ভালো থাকবেন। আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু।